Hey, alright, so we slept in the middle of the rainforest last night, and just a little word of advice, if you're ever in the South America, I got bit by something on my fucking lip. If you're ever in the South American hemisphere and you decide to go live in the jungle for a minute, take bug spray with you, the strongest shit, with the most deep. If you kill part of the rainforest because your bug spray was too strong, then you're going in the right direction. Because it's crazy. I didn't know mosquitoes could be this fucked up. Like, swarms, like it's scary. I'm literally scared. Like, they were in my ears. Uh, I have bites between my toes. I have bites under my feet. I'm covered. Well, thank God I was freezing last night, so I slept with hoodie and sweatpants and covered every inch of my body because it was really, really cold at like 2, 3. So I got up and did that. Sorry about last night. Ran out of space on my making tea video. That would have been a sick video. But I had to delete a bunch of shit on my phone. So last night was special. They're out getting mushrooms. Have a date tonight with a British singer-songwriter. Her accent is lovely. And fucking bugs. I want me to take a piss. Wow. There's a river down there. We're surrounded by dense jungle. Here, take a look. Surrounded by dense jungle. Got to have a wank this morning while they're looking for mushrooms. It's like my first wank in a week. I've been so stressed about the other shit. But this morning, nature took its own course. So, that was awesome. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking about that stuff and go back to sleep. Because when they come back, I'm not gonna be able to sleep for another God knows how long. So, besides the mosquitoes, it's perfect here. Mosquitoes are the only fucking thing that I can't deal with. I can't deal with that like every second. And like, mosquito gave me herpes. I didn't think that was possible, but holy fuck, mosquito gave me fucking herpes. Ew. Yeah. Fucking promiscuous mosquitoes. Oh my god, I'm bit everywhere. Even though I was wearing hoodie and all that shit, I'm bit everywhere. South America, a jungle, kills Southeast Asia jungle, Borneo, all of it. Seriously, down here, I've never teeny tiny mosquitoes and they just fuck your world up. But it's a really, really sick spot to hang out. It's a sick spot to like hide out. No one can ever find me here, that's for fucking sure. No one will ever find me here. And when I'm ready to go, we'll go. We'll bounce off to the next island, set sails. Grenada's probably like a 12-hour boat ride. So we'll probably do half the night, half in the morning, which is scary because we're going to take like a tiny boat to Grenada. Like a friend, so we're doing this the old school way, baby. Anyways, I gotta go. I don't have to go, actually. That was a lie. I want to stop filming and go back to sleep, so